Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the top tools every digital marketer needs to know about. First up, Canva. It's your go-to for stunning graphics and designs, offering a user-friendly interface with thousands of customizable templates. From social media posts to presentations, Canva makes it easy to create eye-catching visuals that resonate with your audience. Next, we have Flexclip, a versatile video editing tool that helps you create professional-looking videos in minutes. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and vast library of stock footage and music, Flexclip empowers marketers to produce engaging video content without the need for extensive editing skills. Moving on to Semrush, the ultimate SEO toolkit. From keyword research to competitor analysis, Semrush provides invaluable insights to enhance your online visibility and drive organic traffic. With features like site auditing and backlink analysis, it's a must-have for optimizing your digital marketing strategy. Then, there's Quillbot, your AI writing assistant. Say goodbye to writer's block with its smart paraphrasing and rewriting features. Whether you're drafting blog posts, social media captions, or ad copy, Quillbot helps you articulate your ideas more effectively and efficiently. Last but not least, Grammarly. Whether it's spelling, grammar, or style, Grammarly has your back, ensuring your content is clear, concise, and error-free. With its browser extension and desktop app, Grammarly seamlessly integrates into your workflow, providing real-time suggestions to enhance your writing. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll uncover even more essential tools for digital marketers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Happy marketing!